It's not an easy road.
So you're looking right now at a shot of the National Stadium complex in Kingston.
I'm here at the National Stadium, standing in front of the massive stage that has been set up for Buju's performance tonight. The wait is finally over. The long walk to freedom is finally here. Okay, and right now, all of the workers are doing their different setup. All of the vendors are getting themselves together, and I'm here to just give a first-hand report of what's going on inside the National Stadium. All right, so as you can see on stage, the sound and the production team are busy doing their thing, while as you look across the grandstand area, all right, we have a photo booth, we have all of the the convenience there, okay, and we have this massive section here for the cameras for the production team. All right, we have the general section there right at the back of the stadium, and I'm standing in the VIP section. The ultra VIP section is over there.
Yeah, this is Steph London in Jamaica, alongside I Garden. I want to approach everybody and supporters. You know what I mean? This is Jamaica. Who is not here? You should have been here. Foreign for empty.
Listen, man. If you came in peace tonight, put your tune on the air right now. It's a celebration. Me no business which island you come from your proud West Indian. Make some nice your proud West Indian self. Get that jam and give me a sound. Get that jam and make me one jungle. Get that.
Yo, na picture now. Get around close. I know. Chill out. I'm going to